In this slide number 1, we introduce the recruitment notification from Brahmaputra Cracker and Polymer Limited, also known as BCPL. This announcement is detailed under advertisement number 34 of the year 2025, inviting applications for various executive positions. In this slide number 2, we will talk about the notification overview. This recruitment drive by BCPL is for executive level posts across various departments. It is a government enterprise and the application process is strictly online. In this slide number 3, we will talk about the total number of vacancies. BCPL has announced 27 posts in total, including roles such as Deputy General Manager, Senior Engineers in various disciplines, Senior Officers, and a Laboratory Officer. The highest number of vacancies are for Senior Engineer in the chemical stream, with 15 openings. In this slide number 4, we will talk about the application fee. Candidates from the General, EWS, and OBC non-creamy layer categories need to pay a fee of 600 rupees. However, candidates belonging to SC, ST, and persons with benchmark disabilities are exempted from this fee. The payment must be made online and is non-refundable under any circumstances. In this slide number 5, we will talk about the important dates for the application. The online application process starts on the 18th of May, 2025 at 10 a.m. and closes on the 17th of June, 2025 at 11:59 p.m. Applicants must complete their submission within this period to be considered. In this slide number 6, we will talk about the age limit. For the post of Deputy General Manager, the upper age limit is 50 years. For all other executive and officer level posts, the age limit is 30 years. Relaxation in the upper age limit is available as per government norms: 5 years for SC and ST candidates, 3 years for OBC non-creamy layer candidates, and up to 15 years for candidates with benchmark disabilities depending on their category. In this slide number 7, we will talk about the educational qualifications required. Engineering positions require a bachelor's degree in the relevant discipline with a minimum of 60% marks. Finance officers should be CA, ICWA, or graduates with a postgraduate degree in finance. IT roles require a degree in computer science or an MCA. Marketing roles require a technical degree plus an MBA in marketing. The laboratory officer position specifically needs a master's degree in chemistry. In addition to educational qualifications, most posts require 1 to 2 years of relevant post-qualification experience.